Uday Singh II, the founder of Udaipur and the Patriarch of Mewar. Uday Singh II, born on August 4, 1522, and ruling from 1540 to 1572, was the Maharana of Mewar, a region in present-day Rajasthan, India. He is best known for founding the city of Udaipur, which became the new capital of the Mewar kingdom after the sack of Chittorgarh by the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Uday Singh's reign was marked by significant challenges, including conflicts with the powerful Mughal Empire, but his legacy endures through the establishment of Udaipur, a city renowned for its beauty and historical significance. Early life. 1. Birth and lineage. Uday Singh II was born to Maharana Sangram Singh, famously known as Rana Sanga, and Rani Karnavati. He belonged to the Sisodia clan of Rajputs, known for their valor and resistance against foreign invasions. Rana Sanga was a revered warrior who had fought against the Lodi and Mughal dynasties, leaving a formidable legacy for his descendants. Though ordeal and ascendancy. After the death of Rana Sanga in 1528, Mewar faced internal strife and external threats. During his early years, Uday Singh II narrowly escaped death when his uncle, Banbir, usurped the throne and killed his elder brother, Vikramaditya Singh. Uday Singh was saved by his loyal nursemaid, Panna Dhai, who substituted her own son in his place, ensuring Uday's survival. He was subsequently sent to Kumbhalgarh for safety. Reign as Maharana. 1. Ascending the throne. Uday Singh II officially ascended the throne of Mewar in 1540. His reign began in a period of turmoil and instability, both due to the internal conflicts within Mewar and the rising power of the Mughal Empire under Emperor Akbar. Though challenges and conflicts, one of the most significant challenges of Uday Singh's reign was the growing influence and military campaigns of Akbar. In 1567, Akbar besieged the fortress of Chittorgarh, the then capital of Mewar. Despite a valiant defense, Chittorgarh fell to the Mughals after a fierce battle, leading to the tragic Johar, self-immolation, of the Rajput women and the massacre of thousands of defenders. 3. Strategic retreat and founding of Udaipur. Recognizing the imminent threat, Uday Singh retreated to the Aravalli hills and founded the city of Udaipur in 1559. This strategic move ensured the survival of the Mewar dynasty and provided a new seat of power that was more defensible against Mughal attacks. Udaipur, with its natural defenses and surrounded by lakes, offered a secure base for the Sisodia rulers. Udaipur, the jewel of Mewar. 1. Establishment and development. Uday Singh II laid the foundations of Udaipur on the advice of a hermit he encountered during one of his hunting expeditions. The sage blessed the location and predicted it would be an ideal site for a capital. Following this guidance, Uday Singh initiated the construction of palaces, temples, and fortifications, transforming Udaipur into a thriving city. Though cultural and architectural contributions. Under Uday Singh's patronage, Udaipur flourished as a center of Rajput culture and architecture. The construction of the city palace, which remains one of the largest palace complexes in the world, began during his reign. The palace, with its intricate carvings, expansive courtyards, and beautiful gardens, epitomizes the grandeur of Rajput architecture. 3. Symbol of resistance and resilience. Udaipur symbolized the resilience of the Mewar dynasty and its refusal to submit to Mughal dominance. The city became a beacon of Rajput pride and resistance, attracting other Rajput rulers who sought refuge and alliances. Later years and legacy. 1. Succession and legacy. Uday Singh II's later years were focused on consolidating the defenses of Udaipur and ensuring the stability of his kingdom. He was succeeded by his son, Maharana Pratap, one of the most celebrated heroes in Rajput history, known for his relentless resistance against the Mughals. Though enduring influence, Uday Singh II passed away on February 28, 1572, but his legacy endures through the city of Udaipur, which remains a symbol of Rajput valor and heritage. The city, with its picturesque lakes, grand palaces, and rich history, continues to attract tourists from around the world, preserving the memory of its founder. Uday Singh II's reign was a period of significant upheaval and transformation for the Mewar kingdom. His strategic decision to found Udaipur ensured the survival and continuity of the Sisodia dynasty in the face of formidable challenges. Through his vision and leadership, Uday Singh II not only established a new capital but also laid the groundwork for the enduring legacy of Mewar's cultural and historical heritage. His contributions to Indian history are remembered and celebrated, making him a pivotal figure in the annals of Rajputana.